adverbs of manner. This is Pete. He loves to sing. Does he sing beautifully or badly? Let's see.
I feel like I'm dancing in the clouds and I like it.
Okay. Pete doesn't sing beautifully. He sings badly. Words such as beautifully and badly are adverbs of manner. Just like other adverbs, they can provide more detail to sentences, giving the reader a clearer picture. Pete sings beautifully. Pete sings badly. How to make ly adverbs. It's easy to form an adverb of manner. Many adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to an adjective. Let's see some other examples.
Quiet, quietly. Slow, slowly. Correct, correctly.
The teacher is speaking slowly. Julie answered all the questions correctly. The students are sitting quietly at their desks.
However, there are some variants. With adjectives ending in y, we change the y to I and then add ly.
Easy, easily. Happy, happily.
Heavy, heavily.
It's raining heavily. Julie is smiling happily.
With adjectives ending in ble, we drop the e and add ly.
Terrible, terribly. Comfortable, comfortably. John is playing terribly. He is losing the game.
These shoes fit comfortably. With adjectives ending in ic, we add an a plus double l and y.
Automatic, automatically. Enthusiastic, enthusiastically. Many people applaud enthusiastically the singer. This camera adjusts the shutter speed automatically. Certain adverbs are the same as the corresponding adjective. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. Early, early. Patrick is winning the race. He runs very fast. Susie usually studies hard before the tests. The adverb for good is well. Paul is a good surfer. He's surfing very well. If an adjective already ends in ly, we use the phrase in a way to express manner. Silly. He behaved in a silly way. Friendly. She spoke in a friendly way. We do not use adverbs of manner after linked verbs such as be. become, feel, get, look, and seem. We use adjectives instead. They looked happy, not happily. That bread smells delicious, not deliciously. Rose is dancing beautifully. Adverbs of manner normally come after the verb or after the object. He opened the door quietly. In some cases, authors choose to use these adverbs at the start of a sentence to grab the reader's attention and draw focus to the adverb. This emphasizes the meaning of the adverb. She opened the present happily. Happily, she opened the present. Let's check what you can remember about adverbs of manner. The correct sentence is Jane does her homework easily. Easy ends in Y, so we change the Y to an I, and then we add ly. Ready for another question? The correct sentence is she talks very fast. Fast is an irregular adverb, so it doesn't end in ly.